So let's see if we can figure out the fraction between 1/8 and 3/4. We're looking exactly between them, the midpoint there. There's a few ways you could do it. You could add these together and then divide by 2. What I like to do is get the denominator to be the same and then compare the numerators. So let's do that. How about I say 4 times 2? That would give me 8. So the denominators would be the same. But I need to also multiply the numerator by 2. That's because 2 divided by 2 is 1. So I'm just changing the value here. So I have 1/8. And then over here, 3 times 2 is 6. 4 times 2 is 8. So now I just need to figure out what number is between 1 and 6. Since the denominator is the same, I can ignore it right now. So between 1 and 6, probably the easiest way is say 1 plus 6 divided by 2. So 7 over 2, which equals 3.5. So that's how you can figure out the midpoint between two numbers. Just add them together, divide by 2. So 3.5 over 8. 3.5 over 8. That's halfway between 1/8 and 6/8. I don't really like to have a decimal here, so I'm going to double the numerator and denominator. 2 times 3.5 is 7. 2 times 8 is 16. And there you have it. The fraction. Halfway, exactly halfway between 1/8 and 3/4. That is 7/16. That's how you do it. This is Dr. B. Thanks for watching.